Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket Pro. And today we got one comment from one of our subscriber, okay, uh, related to with BlazeMeter mocker. Okay, now we want to import that file to our BlazeMeter to use as a database and all. How to do that one? So this is the video, okay, how to create a mock server with a custom data. So this will be how to create a mocker with a CSV file. Okay, so basically we have only one command and we are going to make video on this so that Param Prama Shivapuram 3487 should know the answer. Okay. Thanks for the comment, brother. Big shout out to you. We'll make a video on this. Okay. So we'll create a server. Next server. So the server name will be CSV server. Okay. Click on next. By default, it will add a transaction. Mock server. We'll remove this one default name CSV server only. Virginia, that's fine, there is no issue. Then the server will wait for a minute, 30 seconds or 1 minute, might be. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We have a lot of amazing videos on our channel. You can watch out, okay, video. And if you have any queries, please comment. We'll make a video on that so that you can solve your queries. Okay, so that's why we are here. Still, it is. We'll wait for a minute. Okay, our server is done. So click on done. We have a server. We'll create a one transaction. Click on transaction. This will be a IAM user URL. This will be the name. Okay, and the slash will be IAM user URL. Okay, and we'll import. If you click on here, okay, click here plus. Okay, import new entity from the CSV file. Okay, select CSV file, click it here, and this will be a file. We have 3 columns. I will show you what are all these columns. Once the file is uploaded, you will get the option. Okay, one is console, sign in URL, password, and username. Okay, so how you are going to filter? Okay, so based on a query, click on here will be a user. Okay, the value will be username. Okay, so if you click on this icon, it will copy, paste it here. Okay, now go to the response. Okay, and response what you want a console sign in user. Click it here. Okay, go to JSON formatter. Okay, any formatter you can use. Okay, so basically what you are going to do it here. So you need to create one JSON. Okay, which will be your value, and this will be a key. So just format it. Okay, copy this one, copy, go back to your BlazeMeter. Okay, it's here only. Under the body section, paste it. If your JSON payload is correct, you will get this option, format body, or else you are not going to get this option. That means your JSON is not uh, valid. Basically, click on save. Okay, and here is our, move it to other side. Okay, before that, let's edit, and we'll see the value of how we are going to filter. Okay, so the parameter value will be, if you click on based on our URL, so we want, okay, so when you import and you click on the file, you will see this. Okay, we have username, password, and console. Based on username, we are getting the console. So we'll copy this username. We are sending as a parameter. Okay, query parameter. And okay, based on query parameter, we are sending. So now open your Postman. Let's save this one. Okay, update. Will update. In meantime, we will open our Postman. Okay, allow. Okay, now we'll get the URL. This is the URL, and with the parameter, query parameter as a user, we need to send our value. So user will be, our user will be EKSIM. Okay, and we'll send. Let's see, we'll get the response 200. Here we will get the URL. Okay, and if you want to verify whether we get the response from our mock or not, you can click on show logs. Here we get the logs basically. Okay, yeah, method is get. If it's match, if it is match, like you get the success from the mocker, that is true. If it is false, that means you didn't get, there is no match found. Okay, I will show you the, here is the request. Okay, here is our response. Okay, and how you can verify whether this is hitting, we are getting the response from our Excel sheet data or not. Okay, so based on a value EKS, let's send this time only EKS. Okay, click it here, there is no match found, and we'll back to our BlazeMeter mocker, click on show logs, and if you refresh it, or sometimes by default it, yeah, we have a request to which is not false. So matched is false, request we got, and the response no match found, because we didn't send as per our actual sheet. That's how you can use your Excel as a database and use it and mock your server using a BlazeMeter mocker. So I hope I have solved your queries. Let me know if you have any other query. We will make a video on that. See you in the next video. Bye bye.